I found the typewriter at a garage sale, its keys hidden beneath a thick layer of dust. I bought it on a whim, thinking it would make for quirky decor in my cramped apartment. That night, I woke to the clacking of keys echoing through the silence. The typewriter was typing on its own. My pulse quickened as I read the words forming on a yellowed paper: leave now, or face the fate of the forgotten. It was unsettling, yet I couldn't look away. Over the next few days, the messages became more specific, foretelling minor accidents that soon came true. A broken mug, a twisted ankle. I tried to destroy it, but the typewriter always reappeared intact. The final warning was chilling: your time ends at midnight. I spent the day watching the clock, anxiety clawing at my sanity. As the hour approached, I decided to flee, but my door wouldn't budge. The power cut out, leaving me